The miracle of turmeric, nature's golden health booster. Have you ever wondered if there is a natural way to improve your health, strengthen your body, and feel more energetic every day? The answer might be closer than you think. Introducing turmeric, nature's golden miracle root, used for thousands of years in traditional medicine for its powerful healing properties. Turmeric, known scientifically as curcuma longa, has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. In ancient India, it was considered sacred and used to treat everything from inflammation to digestive problems. Today, modern science is confirming what ancient healers already knew. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has incredible health benefits. So why is turmeric considered a miracle? First, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of many health issues, including joint pain, fatigue, and even heart disease. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation naturally, promoting overall wellness. Second, turmeric is a strong antioxidant. It helps fight free radicals, which damage our cells and accelerate aging. By protecting your body from oxidative stress, turmeric supports long-term health and vitality. Third, turmeric can boost your immune system. It strengthens your body's natural defenses, helping you stay healthy even during cold and flu season. It also supports digestive health, easing bloating, gas, and discomfort, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Using turmeric is simple and versatile. You can enjoy turmeric tea or golden milk in the morning, which is both soothing and revitalizing. You can add turmeric powder to smoothies, soups, or meals for a gentle daily boost. For more concentrated benefits, turmeric supplements with enhanced absorption are available, making it easy to include this miracle root in your life. Thousands of people around the world have already experienced the benefits of turmeric. Sarah says, "Since I started taking turmeric daily, my joint pain has decreased, and I feel more energetic and focused." John shares, "Turmeric has improved my digestion and given me a natural boost without any side effects. I feel healthier than ever." These real-life experiences show the power of this natural remedy. The best part? Turmeric is 100% natural, safe, and free from harmful chemicals. Unlike many synthetic supplements, it works with your body, supporting your health in a gentle yet effective way. Over time, its benefits accumulate, helping you feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Nature has provided us with this golden root, and it's up to us to harness its power. Whether you want to reduce inflammation, protect your body from free radicals, or improve your overall well-being, turmeric can be your natural ally. Start today and experience the miracle of turmeric, a golden gift from nature for your body and mind. Don't wait any longer. Embrace the power of turmeric and let this ancient miracle root transform your health naturally.